Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a collaboration with my sister, my older sister, the Glamorouz Tube. We are going to be using the Nubian Tube by Juvia'S palette. It looks like this, you guys. And yeah, I'm so excited to do it. We are doing our first collab, you guys. I'm so excited. If you do not know the Glamorouz Tube, I will link her channel down below. She is my sister, my older sister. And if you go and check her out, please go check out. You will not regret it. She do fabulous, glamorous makeup looks, you guys. So if you go by her channel, just tell her Angie&Three sent you. And yeah, we are going to be using this palette and these pretty colors that's on my eyes right now. It looks like this, you guys. This is how it came out. And yes, we are using the same colors. So this is how mine came out. Go on her channel and see how hers turned out. I'm pretty sure she did a wonderful job. I love her. She's an inspiration. And yeah, you guys, so without further ado, let's get on into the video. So okay, you guys, this is the palette right here. It looks so pretty. These are all the colors. The colors are gorgeous. I got inspired to get this palette because my sister, the Glamorouz Tube, did a look on it, you guys, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I had to get it on Black Friday. So right now you're going to need your blending brush, and I'm just going to be using a transition color, which is in the shade Morocco. It looks like this, you guys. So pretty. I love, and its palette is very pigmented too, you guys, so I really like it. Yeah, so I'm just going to be putting Morocco in my crease as my transition color. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the shade Jezebel. It looks like this. It's a pretty plum color. I'm going to be putting this right on top of the Morocco. I'm just going to be blending it in, going back and forth like a windshield wiper. Okay, you guys, so now I'm going in with my flat makeup brush right here. And I'm going to be using, I'm spreading it with my MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to be using the shade Layla. It looks like this. It's a pretty purple color. It got a little shimmer in it. And I'm just going to be applying this on my lid. So now I'm going in with the shade Jezebel again. I'm just going to be blending this in my crease again so everything can look nicely blended. I'm going to be taking another flat brush that is clean, and I'm going to be going in the shade Zuri. I'm going to be putting this color on my brow bone and also in my tear duct. Now I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to be lining my eye and making a wing. And now I'm going to be applying my mascara. And now I'm going to be doing the exact same thing to the other eye. going to be using the shade Jezebel and Layla. I'm going to be using Jezebel first, and then I'm going to be using Layla just to smoke out the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to be contouring my nose. I am going to be contouring my nose with the MAC Blunt. It's a blush called Blunt, and I'm going to be using my Laura Geller blush. This has become my favorite blush. I use it all the time, you guys. I love it. So I'm just going to be doing that, and I'm also going to be highlighting my face with Hard Candy. It's a Hard Candy highlighter I got at Walmart, and I love it. So yeah, after I do that, I'm just going to be blending it out. So now I'm going to apply my lipstick, you guys. I went through 3 different looks with my lipstick. This is the lipstick from Victoria's Secret. It's called Perfection. It's in their Velvet Matte line, and I didn't like it with this look, so I decided to go in with my my lip pencil, which I got from BoxyCharm. It's called it's from Bodyography, and it's called Timber. I'm going to be applying this all over my lip, and I'm also going to be putting on a lip gloss, just a new lip gloss over it. I liked it, but I ain't like it that much, so I will be changing that as well. I end up taking that lipstick off, so I just went with the color Decadent by Victoria's Secret, and I just like that look better, so that's what I'm going to be applying on my lips. Now I'm going to be setting my face with the MAC Fix Plus, and we're all finished. Okay, you guys, so this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This look came out so pretty. I really love the colors. This is also a good Valentine's Day look, which is right around the corner, you guys. So yeah, I really like this look. My hair just was not cutting it today. I don't know, whatever, it is what it is. I would do a different hairstyle with this. And yeah, I love the way it came out. I love the colors. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking pretty. This is up my alley. And yeah, like I said, go check out my sister's channel, the Glamorouz Tube. I will link her channel down below, you guys. Tell her that Angie&Three sent you. You will not regret it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget to hit that notification bell to get more videos like this and more. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.